One honest confession about the work I do as a digital marketing business owner is all of these things that I'm doing, all of it was extremely uncomfortable for me in the beginning. As an individual, I have always been extremely shy, very introverted, and underconfident person, never spoke in public, did not have, in these group debates or any of those group discussions. I was always the person who was quiet. I was always the person who was very scared of raising my voice. I've always been that way. My opinion didn't matter, didn't think that what I want to say is going to make any difference. That's the person I was. Plus, I have always been also very private. Before I started the business, if you go and look at my Facebook, Instagram, any of those profiles, you will find it nothing. You will find nothing over there except for a happy birthday on each year on my birthday. You on my Facebook timeline, that's all you're going to find. Instagram, no pictures of myself, nothing. Being the face of my business was extremely uncomfortable because this was something which I had never done before. I was scared. I was very conscious. I had no idea if I'll be ever be able to figure out this content creation, this talking to camera videos, sharing what I do as a business owner, what my offers are, how I can help someone. I was extremely unsure. So the question comes then, why did you do it? Was it worth it doing it? And what helped you to do it and be what you are right now? Because honestly, if somebody looks at me right now and if I tell them I'm an introvert, I'm a shy person, it's difficult to believe, because right now what the version of me that you see now, I have become this after going through being uncomfortable, being not perfect, still doing it, learning, applying. After that, this is the person that you see right now on camera, who can talk easily, naturally, can speak what comes to my mind. It is after going through a lot of discomfort. What made it easier for me to walk on this path was one simple fact. Work which I was doing before this, the job which I had, front desk job, working 9 hours at an office, being away from my child, managing that 9 to 5 grind along with household chores, no freedom, no flexibility, very little money. That is what I had. I made a choice. Do I want to continue living that life for the coming 20, 30 years? Whatever is my working age that I have left in my life, do I want to continue doing that? Or do I want to take this path which is uncomfortable in the beginning, which is out of my comfort zone for some time, till the time I figure it out, till the time I learn how to do this? I knew what the reward was. Once I overcome this stage of figuring things out, being uncomfortable, underconfident, not knowing what I'm doing, once I overcome all of this, once I figure all of this out, I know what lies beyond that. Time, money, flexibility, and the lifestyle which I always wanted. So, was it worth it coming out of my comfort zone, going through all of this? Absolutely. If I had to go back 6 years ago and choose all over again, this is the exact same path that I would choose, and this is exactly what I would be doing with my life.